I trust Penrite because it's quality we can rely on. Basically did like most mechanics do an apprenticeship, then eventually took over a service station for a number of years and then progressed from a service station to an independent workshop, which I had for some 23 years, and then we moved to Tokemall and established a new workshop here in 2005. Been fantastic, have the association with Penrite with their range of oils that cover so many different vehicles now compared to when we first started, when basically you would have petrol oil and an engine oil. I remember it was HPR 15 and HPR Diesel pretty well did everything that we needed to do. Now we've got a whole oil store full of different grades of oil for the different variations of vehicles. Pretty close to around 40 years as far as I can work out. Yeah, over 2 businesses. As everybody knows with businesses, there's so many variations that crop up at any particular time. These days it's a constant training exercise, keeping up with the technology, with all the new vehicles, and like the oil side of things, with all the different European cars and everything else that's coming into the industry. There's such a wide variety of oils and things like that you have to keep up to date with. Oh, reliability is everything. I mean, your customer reputation is so important to keeping your business established and with a good reputation. So Penrite's back up and their service has been second to none. Well, basically, you're looking for a reliability of supply, quality of oil, and also backup if you need advice is also important, which Penrite's very good at. You're getting an excellent quality oil. It's an Australian company, so we're supporting Australia, Australian jobs. The money stays here. All that's important these days. I trust Penrite because it's quality we can rely on.